All right. Okay. It's working. All right. So, uh, hello everyone. I know no one's there, but I will just. Okay, I need to like practice what I'm gonna say in case a new person joins here or something. So, yeah, I'm basically live streaming. Yeah, I am on YouTube instead of Twitch because I can't figure out how to use Twitch. Um, but yeah, all right. So that's me. I'm watching myself, so that's good. But yeah, so I'm basically trying to create a programming language, a custom programming language. Um, it's a B-like programming language, so I have some example text here. Right. Whoops. So this, can I like make it bigger? Yeah, so this is gonna be the kind of syntax. It's kind of like C, except there's only one data type, which is variable. How strings will be done is topic for another day. Well, no. Strings are basically just integers. That um they're pointers basically. They're integers that are pointers to like other to the string data. Um, right. And then as you can see, there's the main function, and then here. Okay, no, this is not how it works. Yeah, there's gonna be the printf. It's not gonna be an actual language that'll be compiled to C, or not C, to like an actual say AMD64 machine. That's not how it's gonna work because it's actually for a. I'm planning to use this for a game inside a game, um, that I'm gonna make. So, um, yeah, a kind of game that will involve coding, and because of that, yeah. So it's not gonna use printf, but in case we do want it to be printf, it'll be that. There'll be that option. But yeah, so it's supposed to be so it'll be compiled eventually into a assembler, and then once it's compiled into assembler, it'll be assembled into like an executable for a kind of virtual machine that I'll be using for not I'll be using, but that'll make for a game that I'll try to make, and it's supposed to be on Roblox. Um, but anyways, yeah. And that's why I'm doing it on TypeScript because I can convert TypeScript into Lua, which is the scripting language of Roblox, into TypeScript, for example. So this is an example, like piece of code. But yeah, so this website kind of converts uh, TypeScript into Lua code that I can use on Roblox. I can just easily copy and paste. And yeah. So without further ado, let's continue what we want to do. So I've been making the parser. I want to. What is this? Okay, let me just get rid of that. So yeah, I have some code that parses an expression, a bunch of expressions, so like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, as well as as well as brackets or parentheses if you're in America. Um, and also, whoops, whoops, I just haha, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so I just accidentally leaked myself, but whatever. Like my email as well. Oh well, time to get spam. Um, yeah, we can blur that. I don't think, I think it's too late to blur that. Someone can just watch that in the replays. Oh well. Okay, whatever. It's my work email anyways, so my professional email, not my personal email, so that's fine. Okay, let me just make sure my microphone. Okay, there you go. My microphone should be louder now. Should be good. Okay, I will only probably stream for like 30 minutes or something because like, oh whoops, yeah, because you know, time constraints. Because I have a math test tomorrow and math exam. Um, so yeah. All right. So now what I wanted to do was I'm gonna create um I'm gonna add functions. So I'm gonna make extra func decal. Actually, it's not gonna be extra. So this is gonna be a function call. So I'm gonna try to for my parser like try to parse function calls. Like for example, not function calls, sorry, function declarations. So basically this code right here, it should, yeah, so if I get rid of this extra stuff here, it should be able to parse this. I should be able to parse parameters and, yeah, things like that, right? So if I try to parse this right now, it's going to say here, unexpected identifier. There you go. Expected lint. Oh, okay. Here's a bug. I forgot that I should probably also add identifier expressions, not just expr lint, but also expr ident as well. So I need to add support for expressions that are basically like identifiers. Example, if I what's some example code? For example, this one. This dot message is equal to message. I need to be able to make sure that this is an expression, like parse this as an expression, and not just literals. Okay, so we'll do that. Yeah, that's gonna be expr ident. Expr. Okay, what do we do here? So we have lint. Okay, let me just scroll down because this is a lot of code, and I know it's all in one file as well. But it's good that I want to convert all of it into Lua in one script. So okay, this is expression literal, but it's not just a literal actually. It's also like, okay, what do you think should be the name for the type of expression that includes both literals and identifiers? What could be a good thing for that? Literals and identifiers. I guess they're like the really core value types. So expr value. Value. And yeah, this should be expr value. Expr value. Okay, and then now, instead of just this one, I'll also do token type. I'm gonna add the identifier token as well, and then that'll be that'll result in an identifier expression. Yeah, so this error should go away once I run this code. Yeah, so that expression goes away. And let's look at the thing here. So at the parse tree, the abstract syntax tree, so there's a variable declaration and its children, that is its expression. The expression that initializes the variable hello is an expr mult, so that there's a multiplication between a subtraction, I don't know, multiplication between 1 and a subtraction between the identifier string and integer. And an integer that's 10, an integer literal, and that's what we find here, right? So 1 times, okay, and then string minus 10 in that, in those brackets, in those parentheses. So that's good. But we actually want to do function declaration. So, you know. All right, how do we do that? Now, a function declaration is at the level, must be at the level of, at the global scope level. And so because of that, I think, yeah, because this is a kind of C function. It's a C-like language. Well, it's B-like here, which is the predecessor to C. And I think the B language only has functions on in the global scope. You can only declare functions in the global scope and define functions in the global scope. Right, so this is the lexer, which we do not want. Token verifier, nope. Parser, here you go. So now we're parsing file, and here this is it. Need 0 more var declos or func decals before EOF. So first of all, okay, I'll just write the code here first. So here, else if sort.kind is equal to, so its token type is function declaration. If that's the case, right, then we do children.push this dot parse func decal. Ooh, but before we do that, a crucial thing that I have to do first is remove references, unnecessary references to undefined. So in order to do that, I have to create a none type and none type for an expression. Maybe error type as well. So I'll just quickly do that so that because there are some issues with conversion from TypeScript to Lua, and I would like to get rid of those. So first of all, how about I do this all in Lua first? So I'll just paste this into Lua. Alright, so all the errors are at the top, and I'll just like quickly just convert all the functions into the Lua functions. Yeah, get rid of this. There you go. Okay, and now, there you go. So you got Lua code. Now what I want to do is to kind of just get rid of undefined. First of all, create that none type. So what is it? Branch? Sure. Okay, and the branch type, there should be a none. None. Okay, and then I'll go to make branch. And then I could say that this could be make, oh wait, none. It could be error as well. So error. All right. Make branch. All right. I want to make say make none branch. Turn new branch. I will have to like convert that into spaces. Okay. Okay. Make new branch. So it's gonna be a kind. So none branch type dot none. Content is gonna be nothing. Children is gonna be empty list. This dot line and this dot column. All right, and then I'll copy and paste this, and instead of none branch, I'll make error branch. So branch is basically the node in the abstract syntax tree. It's just that node is a special word, I think, in TypeScript or something, or at least in here, like standard DOM TypeScript or whatever. So now there's going to be an error. So I'm going to go through each function that returns undefined and make it not return undefined. So this one, I'll just do this dot make error branch. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll just go through each function that says or undefined. So or undefined. Yeah. This one, I don't want that to be branch. Okay. Yeah. So this one is gonna be this dot make error branch. Now this one seems to return undefined, and I don't want that. Okay, that does not seem to have an error, but this one, parse expr, okay. But this one though, parse expr value, we're gonna get rid of that undefined. Right, let's not make error branch. Okay, and then, yeah, so every function that returns or undefined, yeah, it's not gonna do that anymore. So that's good. Now, where are the places where I use as? Yeah, this one is unnecessary. I want to get rid of all those places. It's not needed. Oh, yeah, I'll get rid of that. As token type. Now this one though. Okay, whatever. We'll just as branch type. Yeah, okay. arg1 as branch. Yeah, sure. arg2 as branch. Okay, whatever. It's fine. It's probably fine. Like as branch type. Okay, the mapping though. It should be branch type though. Whatever. Okay, so all the places where I use as unnecessarily. Gone. Okay, good. Now we can actually focus. Okay, now I can copy all this all this code. Yeah, so this is overfly string array. That's not important. Now I can just copy this and I can paste it over here below overfly string array. Okay, and that should still work. Yeah. So let's see. Yes, it works. Where did I say see some error? No. Okay, good. So that's good. Unexpected item, unexpected L parent. Okay, good. Okay. Now, what do we do? What we want to do now is to create. We want to parse for variable declaration. So we want to go here. We're gonna uncomment that. Yeah. So we want to parse function declaration, and we're gonna go to token type. Enum token type, and then we're gonna add function declaration. Oh, wait, no, that's not a thing. That's token type. The function declaration starts with identifier. And then we're gonna just parse the functions. But we're gonna go through expra, and we're gonna do var decal. I'm gonna do func decal. So, there you go. Func decal. Okay, so now we're gonna parse a function declaration. So yeah, all right. And this is gonna return a branch. So it's gonna do, okay, well, what does it want to find first? Well, it wants to find identifier. So token type dot identifier. So if not res, this is unnecessary because this should only be called when there's like an identifier. But we're just gonna do return this dot make error branch. No, if not bool, because res is always gonna be true there. I think. So what else does it say? What else should it need? Whoops. It's gonna need the left parenthesis. So identifier L parent. and then it's going to be a right parenthesis. So our parent, right? No, so this identifier, that's going to be the content. The content is equal to res.content, because that's going to be the identifier of the function, the name of the function, therefore. I don't know, our parent will be the last one, but in the end, we're going to create this dot make branch, and its type is going to be branch type dot func deco. Content is content, the children is children, and that's that. Okay, so this is going to be the right parenthesis. Okay, so in between the parentheses, we'll do while. Yeah, I'll make sure. Okay, to do semi or statement. We do, okay, while true, right? How are we going to do this? Should be a do while. Okay, no, let's just look at the logic. So first, we want to find an argument. So find first argument. So we'll just do res is equal to this dot next token. Actually, we will have to expect multiple types. So either it's gonna be a our parent, or actually we'll just seek token. Seek token expect types. It's either going to be an R parent or it's going to be an identifier, which means it's an argument, right? Or parameter. So if res.kind is equal to token type dot ident, which means it's a parameter. First of all, we're going to do that. So next token, yeah, we're going to eat that token. And now we're going to do while what do I do? We'll just do while true. And we'll just say, hey, we want to find a comma afterwards. So token type, comma. Right? And afterwards, we're going to try to find an identifier. Ident. Right? Right, so so after that, it's gonna be a right parenthesis, but we could just do this in the while loop. So we could do while this dot seek token dot kind is not equal to token type dot r parent. So while it's not finished, while there's still something else, there should be a comma, or it should be an identifier. Although in order to improve error messages, I think it should probably include token type dot r parent. There you go. Okay. So while if we seek the token, right, it's not r parent, right? I feel like it would make more sense if it was, if I just so if res.kind is equal to, oh wait, I forgot, because we're just seeking the token, so that means we need to eat that token as well. Though we have to do that afterwards. So if res.kind is equal to, so if it's a r parent, that means we have to break this loop because it's done. Right. So once you eat the token, which is the comma or the right r parent, right? This is the comma in this case. We're now just going to move on to identifier. So if it's not an identifier, then whatever. But it should not be seek token. I think it should be next token because we're gonna use it. Okay. But this identifier will be added to arguments, right? So let args be that one. I guess we'll just call it params. Right, so we're just gonna do params dot push res dot content, and then we're gonna do params dot push. Oh wait, no, we could just do that in the while loop at the top. No? Yeah. Like that. Okay, and then once we do that, we should probably add that to children. So we'll do children. So children dot push args. No, params. Why? What's any type is not assignable to oh. Okay, so params. Okay, so since we'll just add it to content then. Yeah. Content is equal, yeah. And then we'll just add, so instead of params.push, we're gonna get rid of params. And we're gonna do content plus equals space, right? Plus res.content. So that's how we're gonna store the arguments, the argument names, parameters, basically. Good. So let's just make sure that this works. So in order to parse the okay, first of all, before we do that, I'm gonna do this dot next token expect types token type dot not our parent but semi, so it should be a semicolon. Expect semicolon to conclude function declaration. There you go. So first of all, so we're parsing function declaration, right? We know that if we seek the current token is going to be an identifier, so we're going to just eat that token. Once we've eaten that, this is an identifier. We can take the content of the identifier, which is the name of the function or the name of the identifier, and then we expect we eat a left parenthesis. And yep. Now we'll see. Hey, do we have a right parenthesis or do we have an identifier? Because it could be like it has no other arguments, right? Or it has one argument at least. So okay. So if res.kind is an identifier, so if it is an identifier, let's see what happens if it's our parent. Well, this is false, so we're gonna skip over to here, and then we're gonna just seek though. Oh, we don't know. We just eat that. We eat that. All right. Right parenthesis. Okay, good. We move on to the semicolon. Okay, good. All right. So let's say it's an identifier. If we seek the current token, and if it is an identifier, then we can just eat it. Go to the next one. Right, and then we'll make sure that the identifier, the name of that parameter, is included in the content of this branch. So that we know the argument. So the content will basically be a space delimited string, where the first word basically is the function name and subsequent words are the arguments, the argument names. Content plus, okay, space res dot content, good. So yeah, so we just append that there. Append the argument to the content string. And now we're gonna seek. Okay, is the next token a comma? Is the current token a comma, or is it a right parenthesis? Oh, wait. is the current token a comma or is it a right parenthesis? So is it done? Um, if it is a right parenthesis, then we break and then we actually just eat it here. Right, but if not, then we're gonna eat that here. Eat the comma. Eat comma. Thank you ChatGPT for calling it eat, because like I asked ChatGPT for like code review and it called it this process eating. So like, yeah. So we're gonna eat the comma and then now we should be expecting an identifier afterwards. And if not, then we'll make an error branch. Okay. So now and then after that, okay, and then we expect a semicolon, a right parenthesis, and then a semicolon, and then now we can make the branch. So let's see. All right. So let's see first of all if it still works. Wait, that means you guys can see this. Oh, you know, I think that's fine because like, is that not good? Or is that bad that you guys can see? So you guys can edit it, or maybe not, because like I still have the revisions. Uh, I mean, this is really the only place where I have my code saved. We'll think about that later. Okay, we'll run it. Okay, so it seems to be working, and now it says it expects semi but got L brace. And look, it has main argc argv, which is really cool, right? Right? Like, okay, expected semi but got R brace. So oh, L brace, sorry. So we want that. Wait, how did it like oh no, because it's a wait, what? How did it like do that? How did it like it expected a semicolon, but it got an L brace. But then it makes an error branch, and yet somehow it still is a func declaration when it should have returned an error branch. No? What? That's actually so confusing. That doesn't sound like that's how it ought to work. Expected semi. Okay. Let's just console.log about to make branch. Still about to make branch though. Oh, because it expects this. Okay, okay. I should do like, okay, it should be res bool. It's this one. And then if not bool, then we just do this. Okay. Alright, so let's run this again. And now it gives an error thing. That's good. Right now, we can comment out this statement, this block statement, and then we'll just comment this. And oh, by the way, just to let you guys know, the reason why I'm doing this, not the reason why, but an inspiration for this language, really, I kind of just plagiarized this language from him, is you know, Biscuit, that Finnish coding YouTuber. His name is spelled like this. There you go. Yeah. So he's a Finnish coding YouTuber, and he has like a series called making a compiler or something from scratch or whatever. And yeah, that's why I make him be like programming language, because like he made it be like programming language basically. But I think it's yeah, I think we kind of literally have the same grammar. Yeah, because like I just put identifier like this. Well, I guess let's see. B programming language. Let's see. Okay, no, but that's just B, so whatever, right? Main extern put char. Okay. Yeah, so the auto is just, and the auto, I think, auto type is just declares a variable with automatic storage, lifetime. Oh, lifetime. Okay, okay. Yeah, so it's kind of, yeah, this is basically the same, like, you know, syntax kind of, almost. What does this do? Calculate constant e minus 2, e to the negative. Wait, what? I don't know. 4,000 decimal digits. Yeah, okay, cool. I'm getting distracted, so that's interesting. I'm sorry. But, so this should work. Let's just do this. Yes, and we'll do another fn, another function, and it's gonna have no arguments. We're gonna do f2, which has, say, arg a, and then we'll test out some errors. So a, b, c. We'll do this, and then we're gonna do that. Let's see what happens. Expected semi, yeah. Expected ident, but got L parent. Okay, so let's see. For decal, got func decal, another fn. That's good. No arguments. F2a, F2a, B, C. Here, this is an error. And another error. Main arg C, RV. Yes, yeah. Expected ident, but got R parent. Oh yeah, here and then here. Expected R parent or ident, but got comma. Yes. So that's what I'm talking about when what I said earlier about better error things. What's it called? Error handling? Not error handling. Error descriptions. Right? Expected R parent. Because if I didn't put ident there, then it would just been, or if I didn't put R parent in there. So func decal, yeah. Where is it? Yeah, here. If I didn't put, oh wait, never mind. Expect R parent or ident. Where is it? Oh, okay, it's this error right here. Okay, never mind. It should be comma or R parent. Expected ident, but I got R parent. Yeah, if I did like A like this, it should two. Expected ident, but got R parent. Unexpected. Oh, I think it should be like expected comma. There you go. There you go. Expected comma or R parent, but got ident. There you go. That's what I mean about error messages. Because if I didn't put R parent, then it would have just said expected comma, but got ident. But whatever. Okay. So yeah. Just comment that. But yeah, so we got a bunch of functions now. Yeah, and so if we want to do extern, say, a function, right? All we want to do is to just define the function like this without defining the body of the function. And yeah, that should be good. All right, so that's the function, say, declaration, bare declaration. It does not have, say, statements though. But in order to do a statement, let's see here. So func decal. So okay, I got, that's done. That's good. Yeah, that's good as well. Now we gotta, yeah, function declaration is great. Now we gotta add statements as well. So should I do it now, or I think it'll be fine. So when we're trying to do parse function declaration, well, what we will need to do is, oh, it says I got 10 views. I don't know what that means. Is that me or is that someone else? Hopefully that's also someone else. But oh, it says 2 watching right now. Oh. Wait, but is this which counts though? Like, alright, hello, whoever you are, you viewer. Do you want to write in the chat if you want? Maybe. Okay, but anyways, Yeah, so I'm just creating a programming language, creating a parser for my custom programming language. Um, that's kind of whose syntax is kind of like B. But anyways, let's just continue doing this. So, yeah, I want to parse a statement. How do we do that? So, here, if it is not a semicolon, right? Next token expect types, and we're not gonna expect type anymore. Res bool. This dot next token. Not this. We'll just seek token, right? And it's not res bool. Res this dot seek token. There you go. If res dot type is not equal, not type. If res dot kind, there you go, is not equal to token type dot semi. Actually, first of all, let me make sure that this code works in the TypeScript thing that allows me to convert it into Lua for Roblox, because I want this to work for Roblox as well, because I have a Roblox game idea. So yeah. Alright, yeah, that's why I'm doing this in TypeScript, because I can convert it into Roblox. Lua. Well, not I, but you know, using this tool can. Okay. There seems to be no error, so should be fine. Func deco. Yeah, no error. So, right. Now we can actually continue doing this. So, if res.kind is not a semicolon, okay, so if it is a semicolon, then we just do this dot make branch. No. We're just gonna do this dot next token. Because it is a semicolon. Okay. Now we're gonna do children dot push this dot parse statement. We're gonna parse statement. Should I do stmt? Whatever. I mean, I already have deco, but whatever. Okay. Now we're gonna parse the statement. Okay. Okay. If we do this, this should still continue working, right? Yes. Now we're just supposed to parse a statement. Parse stmt. So there are gonna be various types of statements. I probably will need to like. Oh, hello. I don't know this guy tech. Yeah. So, I'm making a parser right now. Are you a new viewer? Yeah. I'm making a parser for a custom programming language right now. Right now I'm kind of trying to parse a statement for my programming language. So it's syntax. Okay, here's some example code. The syntax is it has variable declarations. Oh, what's it about? Yeah, so it's a I'm trying to make a parser for a custom programming language. So I'm trying to here's some example code. All right, how do I make this less confusing? So this code right here, it has some variable declarations, so you can make variables, and then you can also define functions with the language right now. So basically, I'm just trying to parse this. I'm trying to create a kind of a data structure that the computer can read, basically. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but okay. All right. Right now I need to be able to parse a statement. So basically, what it can read is this. Whoops. What it can read are these kinds of things where you can create variables and create functions. Uh, um, it's not based on types. I mean, I'm writing the parser and the lexical analyzer in TypeScript, but its syntax is more closer to C, the C programming language. Well, really, it's more like B. Um, Let me show. So its syntax is gonna be like close to this. Um, it looks kind of like TypeScript, but not really. But yeah, so I'm writing uh, the actual compiler in TypeScript, but but the syntax of the language itself is more like B here. If that makes sense. Right. So the issue that I have right now is that it can read this. It can read function declarations, but if I try to add a statement, so like what the function actually does, like I don't know, print hello world. If I run this, it's gonna say error because it doesn't know how to do that. Okay, so that's what I'd like to fix. Now, okay, so um, a statement can be multiple things. Um, okay, so first, I guess it can be a brace statement, so that creates a new block, basically. So like it's a statement where it starts and ends with these curly braces right here. Uh, I guess if we're gonna do that, I guess we'll eat the token. Oh, really? You're making something else? What are you making? What are you making? A game engine. Nice. What language are you using? Like C++? Or C? Or Python? C++. That's nice. Um, Actually, I really, to be honest, I prefer C++ more than TypeScript. Um, but I have to make this in TypeScript, what I'm doing, because I eventually want to like port this into Lua, which is the programming language of Roblox. Um, well, I mean the programming language people use to make Roblox games, I guess. So yeah. Oh yeah, nice. You combine, what's it called? What's it called? Uh, so does your game engine use like Lua? Like does it interface with Lua? I forgot the word. Yeah, Roblox scripting. Yeah. Um. Oh. Nice. So it does use um uh Lua. That's cool. I honestly don't like Lua though, because it's like so it tries to be simple like Python, but like it doesn't have the features that Python has. In my opinion, I don't know. I'm new to using Lua, but uh I guess that's just my reaction. I guess that looks better. Oh, the perform I just oh gone. That oh okay, never mind. The no, I just don't like Lua because its style and everything. Like I don't like how it like one indexes tables. Uh, To me, that just doesn't make any sense. Array should start at 0 and not 1. Um, and I don't like the style because it's like Apple script, if you know it. Um, it's and I don't like how it uses and do. Um, oh my gosh, you have an alpha release? That's amazing. Is the link on GitHub or something? Like, is it like a GitHub repository? Alright then. I mean, I guess you could set the link in the chat then. Uh, to the GitHub repository, and I'll check it out. That sounds really cool. Does it allow you to send the link in the chat or no? Because I don't see the link right now. Or you could put it in the comment section. Wait, no, there's no comment. Bro. Alright. Okay. There's no comment section. Alright, never mind then. Okay. Did something happen? Like, what? Why? I still don't see a link. Uh, did bro get banned or something? No, I don't think so. Does it allow you to send the link or no? Or maybe bro left. Like what? Oh, two watching now. Okay. Alright then. Okay, we need to make a branch. Alright then. Now we're supposed to make a statement. Shoot. Okay. Okay, if it's a block statement, we'll make a block statement. If it's not a block statement, we'll just make a normal statement. There you go. So easy. Easy. Alright, content, yeah, we'll do that. And the children, all the children. Yeah. Now, this is a brace statement. Wait, that means that if this is a seek token expect types. Okay, no, but okay. So any seek token. Okay, whatever. Huh. So. Says we have 15 views. What does that mean? Okay. Why is it a multiple of 5? Okay, yeah, so this is a brace statement right here. Okay, so if it's a brace statement true, next token, right? You got the next token. Is it a brace? Okay, our brace. If it's not a brace, EOF. And then, okay, make error branch, parse statements. Okay, I think that should be good. Alright, let's see if it can still parse what we have here. Yeah, okay, so let's see if it can parse this. Should be able to parse that. Hey, okay, so func decal, yeah, so we have a block statement right here. Good. Parse stmt. So now, I think empty statements won't be allowed here as well. Okay, alright, basically what I gotta do now is we gotta parse a different kind of statement. Say, not very standard. So, okay, else, just do, return this dot error branch. Make error branch. Okay, and then I'll do this dot error unexpected type. No, that's expected, and we want to do unexpected. Unexpected type, res.kind. So the kind of token that it has, whatever. I think bro left, either because their parents caught them, or, why else did they leave? I don't know. Something happened. Maybe internet went out, or like all the other things. I don't know. So I've been streaming for an hour. What the heck? Just 10. I should probably be done now because I need to do math. Should I live stream myself do my math homework? Oh dear. I don't know if I want to like finish it here though. I think let's just do something really simple. So we want to parse a statement. Yeah, so we do unexpected type and then make error branch. So now we're just gonna wait, let me see. Okay, it returns this. It returns this and error. Yeah, so you push okay, I'm getting distracted. So now what we want to do is it's an expression statement basically. So I think we'll just do else. Expression statement. I think it's just gonna be an else. Although I guess empty statements could be factored in as well. So else if res.kind is equal to token type dot semi. Okay, this dot next token. And I'll just do Yeah, that's basically it. Okay, let's see if we can then now create. This should work. This is an empty statement right here. Block statement, yeah. And then yeah, that should be good. And then let's see if we can make another. Yeah, two. Oh, why is it only one statement? That doesn't make any sense. Now it's two. Oh shoot, that does not look good. Yeah, it's just block statement. Okay, that's not good. Something's wrong. Um, I think I kind of want to ask ChatGPT though. Like honestly. Okay. How do I ask ChatGPT? What is the problem here? Because this does not look good. Because it's a semicolon. If it's an else, then it should be a. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it has one statement right there, but it should be multiple. Yeah, it should be two statements. And I don't know why. Why though? Oh, we already ate it. Oh. Wait, what? Raise statements and then next token. Oh, because we ate this. Wait, no, but if we. Oh, okay. This should be a res seek token, and then I'll eat it. Eat the token if it's our brace. This should make it, but if it is, but if it is not, okay, whatever. This should. Yeah, now it has two statements. That's good. Um. Is it infinite looping? Yeah, it's infinite looping. Yeah, it's. Oh, no. Yeah, it's infinite looping. Okay. Yeah. Ah, shoot. No. Why? Okay, there you go. Alright, it's not infinite looping anymore. Good. But why is it infinite looping? Oh, because it never, eats that. Because it just seeks the token. It really should just eat it though. Oh no, but if it is an unexpected type, then it should be this dot next token. But there should be a check as well. But to make sure that there's nothing that can go wrong here. Wait, no, but if it's an error, then it shouldn't. Yeah, never mind. It shouldn't. It should still continue. Yeah, it should just do that. And then now, if I run this again, just do clear console. Unexpected ident, but it still does the thing. Yes. Yes. Run it one more time. Yes. Run this. Yes. Okay. Now. What? Sorry. Okay. Now we want to go to parse statement. And we want to make an expression statement. So instead of this, expression statement. This dot next token. Okay, so it's gonna do children dot push this dot parse expr. I think that should be good. And then no, and then it's gonna do this dot res bool is equal to this dot seek token expect types. It's gonna expect token type dot semi. So it's gonna expect a semicolon. And if not bool, we'll return an error. So return, and it's not gonna seek, it's gonna eat. It's gonna eat that. This dot error, make error branch. There you go. Gonna expect a semicolon. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say, hey, let's do 10. It should work. So block statement, yes. So any like normal expression here, but here's the thing, it's not going to. Yeah. Okay, good, whatever. But now I want to add, so I've added express statement. It's 10:15. I have a math test tomorrow, so I think I might need to. Oh, I only have one viewer right now, which is me. Yeah, so I did that. I think I want to add extra func call. Okay, what am I doing? So, an identifier. If res.kind is equal to token type dot ident. And this dot seek token dot kind is equal to token type dot L parent. This is a function call. So this return statement is going to be an else. So how is this going to work? It's a function call, yeah. This dot next token. So it's going to be, yeah, L parent. So after L parent, okay, ident, then L parent. We ate the L parent. That's good. Now just do we go okay, while true. Okay, I want to go to the function expression here. A statement and function is here. Here you go. Yeah. Let's just rewrite it. Okay. So now this dot token, we'll do next token expect types. L parent, token type dot L, R parent. So right parenthesis, or we'll do next token. Yeah. So if res.kind is equal to token type dot R parents, if it's a right parenthesis, we'll just break. If it's not, then we're gonna do there's gonna be children though, because it's a function call expression. Okay, let children, which is an array of branch, be that. And then we're gonna add to the children of this thing. Children.push, res.kinds. Children, no, we're not supposed to push it. We're gonna push, no, not that one. Token type dot expression. Wait, what? Branch type? No. This dot parse expression. There you go. And once that is the case, we're gonna do res. Okay. Res is equal to this dot seek token expect types. Either it's gonna be a comma, or it's gonna be a an R paren. So okay, if not bool, then we're gonna do break. We're gonna eat that token, and then we're gonna say just dot make error branch. Okay. So if res.kind is equal to token type dot comma, we're gonna say, hey, we're gonna eat that. Does it still compile? Yes. Okay, let's see. So let's try to do print hello world. See what happens. And expected L int but got our parent. Expected, okay. Something's wrong here. No. Okay, why? Should parse the expression. What does it return? It should return. Okay, so it should go into parse extra value. I know that would work. Oh, because it doesn't. Okay. Okay, it's because this thing needs to return something. So okay, return this dot to make a branch. Okay, what's the branch type? So branch type dot express function call. So it's a function call, and the content is gonna be the, oh yeah, the name of the function. So the name is gonna be res.content. Oh wait, no, but then actually never mind. We don't want to be too complicated. And then children is branch. So yeah, children, sure. And okay, let's see what happens when we do this. It does have print and it doesn't. Okay, good, good. Let's see. So this is true. Okay, res this on next token. Okay. And it's right parenthesis. Okay, but it doesn't. So now it should parse an expression. Um. So we did, okay, once. So what is the issue here? Oh, because we ate the token already. Should be seek token. And then it's the next token. We eat it if it's a right parenthesis. Okay. But we let the expression eat it if it's not. Should, okay. Yes, look. Print 1. Yes. Hello world. And then let's add some string formatting to this. Hi. +2. Oh, whoops. Let's do that. Okay, let's see. So we have statement, and it's an extra function call, and it's a function called the print. Right here. Extra. Hello world. Yes. Now in the future, I think maybe I would like a function call such that you can call a number or whatever. It doesn't have to be an identifier. But I don't think that'd be that useful except for like really weird code. Um, so I don't want to do that. Um, yeah, unless we want like a function table, that kind of thing. I think that would be useful in the long later on. But we'll just add those features once we like them. So yeah, so extra hello world and d hi, and then here you go. Here's an addition. There you go. There you go. If I improperly did this, expect a comma or r parent but got semi. Expected semi but got EOF. Okay, good. Let's try breaking this. Expected comma or r parent but got semi. Uncaught error. Type error. Cannot read properties of kind. Line 946. Okay. Let's go to line 946. 946. Okay, that's actually so many references to dot kind. I don't know if I can. I think this needs better. Let's see what happens. Okay, let me run it in like other TypeScript online. Maybe there's a playground. There you go. Manage cookies. Yeah, I'll do reject that. Reject that. Reject that. I don't know what changes. Sorry. Where is the issue of content? Variable content is used before being assigned. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. What file? What line is that? Okay, since it's in the went once file thing, let's get rid of that. Let's comment that out. So the issue here is mm, uh is it this one? Res.kinds is equal to token dot comma. But since it's undefined, but how is it undefined then? I don't see how that's undefined. How that could be undefined, but console.log res is res. So it's not a problem in here. That's not the so the issue is in parse expression then? Yeah, so parse expression. Okay, I genuinely don't see the problem here. I don't understand where it's coming from. Do I want to fix it though? The answer is somewhere here. Is hmm. Let me check the. It must be here. I think this must be it then. I think this should be it. Can I clear this? So it's not before. Because it's not here. Oh no, here. 2 res is yes. 1 res. 1 res. But it is a semi. Hmm. Okay, so it's here. Um. Res, 2 res. Okay, I can get rid of that. Maybe it's the parse deco. Maybe. Okay, let's see. Let's look at next token. Oh. Okay, let's then this dot length. Okay, this dot. Okay, luau array length. This dot tokens. So if this is the case, then we'll do this dot I. Else this dot I equal to luau array length. This dot tokens. It should remove that. What? Something's undefined. No. Your plugins. Bro, this is actually kind of hard. I don't know where this error is coming from. This is base 64. What is this? Okay, anyways. Why is it not working? Like it should have console.trace returning undefined. Alright. Oh, wait, no. That means it's no, it shows the tokens. Oh. How do I clear the back? No, that's clear. Oh, look. You got through. That means this is the rendering code here. Wait, maybe if I do F2, F12, no. Oh no, I want the console. Next token expect types. Okay, let's run this. Okay, never mind. Okay. It's at parser.next token expect types. Oh. Parse statement. Oh, token.kind. It shouldn't be undefined though. But oh. Why is a token undefined when it shouldn't be? Okay, fixed it. There you go. Yeah, token should not be undefined. It's not undefined. What? Why is it in next token? Oh, okay. Okay, this is the token verifier. Okay. Right, I fixed it. Okay, I need to like make sure that that's okay. Let me just replace that with 4 spaces. Right, time to put this back in here. This should work now. There you go. Okay. Good. So if I just create like normal C plus normal C, not C plus plus, normal things like this. There you go. In the future, I might want to okay, now our abstract syntax tree is looking like something. Now let's see. So I've implemented this one. Alright. I think that should be good enough for this stream. Yeah. So in a future stream, I think I would like to have more of these expressions right here, these binary expressions. Binary. Yeah, these are binary. Should you use comma? Note. Yeah, as well as these. There you go. This one. Yeah, I've done that. Okay, note. Note. Whoops. Note function. Okay. There you go. Note. Yep, so there's a conflict with a function call. Possible conflict. Okay. Group. Sorry. Okay, so these are the binary and post-binary groups. Okay, post pre-binary, I think. Post-binary. Yeah, sorry, that. And then, okay, I'll do any. Sorry, not supported right now. Still sorry. Okay, alright, it's 10:40. I really need to do my math because I'm kind of cooked actually. Yeah, I'm very cooked. Oh no. Okay, I'm thinking maybe we should. I'll think about it later. Post-unary, any expression? Yeah, yeah. Let me change the order. Okay, pre-unary, binary, pre-unary, post-unary. Okay. Okay, I didn't mean to download that, but okay. Alright, I'll fork the fiddle into a new one. Okay. Is it saving? Okay. I'll fork the fiddle into a new one once I end the stream. Alright, so that was a great stream, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good night. I have a math exam tomorrow. I should probably do review for that. Yeah. And so yeah, I mean 10:52 p.m. but oh well. Alright, wait, let me just, how do I end the stream though? Like, do I like, you just close a dockable window. Okay, wait, let me open that. Stats, sure. Where do I put it? I want to put the stats somewhere. Okay, whatever. So it's in docs. I want, okay, reset docs. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Whatever. Alright, so yeah. Okay, let me just stop the recording now. I mean, not recording, but streaming. Yeah, have a good night, everyone. Or day, whatever. Yeah.